My dear students, how are you all? Today we are going to start the third topic of chapter 11, that is excretion in animals. Numerous biochemical reactions occur round the clock in all living cells. Here biochemical reactions means digestion, respiration, circulation. That means that occur round the clock in all living cells, and they produce variety of waste material or waste products like carbon dioxide, ammonia, nitrogenous compounds. So if these products or these waste material accumulate in our body while performing functions, so they will, what will happen, they prove to be toxic. So it is they must be removed from our bodies. Okay, the process of removal of waste products produced in the living cells is called as excretion, and the organs which help in removing these waste products are called as excretory organs. Now our human beings excretory system that consists of parts. The excretory system is an organ that system that helps in removal of waste material formed inside our body. Now here the excretory system of human that consists of four parts, that is a pair of kidneys. Two pair of kidneys you are seeing here, that is brown in color, which is shaped is beam shaped and is present in the abdominal cavity on either side, on both sides, it means present on the both sides of the backbone. Is it okay? Second one is the ureters. Tube like structures are seen here, that is two tube like structures which are attached to the kidneys, and the third part that is a urinary bladder, that is a bag like structure, and fourth one is urethra, which is a muscular tube, small muscular tube. Now kidneys, there are two organs called kidneys present in the body. These kidneys, what they perform, they contain the blood from the blood capillaries, and there are a large number of small structural tubes called as nephrons that are present in kidneys, which help in which acts as a filters basically to remove the nitrogenous waste. Urinary bladder, the urine passed by the kidneys is stored in the bladder called as urinary bladder. Ureters, there are two tube like structures which connect the kidneys to the urinary bladder together. They allow passage of urine from the kidneys to the bladder. And the last one is urethra. This is a muscular tube through which the urine moves out of the body. Now the mechanism of excretory system, how it works. When the blood reaches to the kidneys, that means blood reaches to the kidneys, the large number of coils present in the kidneys, they act as a filter. These large number of coiled shape, they are called as nephrons. They are basically structural as well as functional unit of kidneys. They act as filters. They remove nitrogenous waste and water from the blood while it passes through the kidneys. Now when they passes through these useful substances are absorbed back into the blood, and the waste dissolved in the water are removed as urine. From the kidneys, the urine goes into the urinary bladder through ureters. It is stored in the bladder and then is passed out through the urethra. This is the mechanism of excretory system. Now what is dialysis? What sometimes a person's kidneys may stop working, both the kidneys. If both the kidneys stop working, then due to some infection or injury, as a result of kidney failure, these products starts accumulated, yani ki these waste products starts accumulated in the blood. And you know that if the waste product starts accumulated, it may be toxic for that person. So such persons cannot be survive until their blood is filtered periodically through the artificial kidney. That process, the removal of nitrogenous waste product from the blood with the help of a machine, that process is called as dialysis. Now facts, as a result of human beings normally passes about 1 to 2 liters of urine in 24 hours, and that urea consists of 95% of water, 2.5% of urea, and 2.5% of other waste material. The way in which the waste chemicals are removed from the body of the animals depend upon the availability of water. Like aquatic animals or fishes, they excrete ammonia in water. Birds, snakes, and lizards, they excrete semi-solid white colored uric acid. Now, some other facts like other organs of excretion, like skin is a excretory organ. Skin also acts as a excretory organs, like sweat glands in the skin that removes water, salt, urea. How is sweat useful to us? हमारे लिए useful कैसे है sweat? Because in summers what will happen when we feel hot due to the external heat, sweating and evaporation of sweat makes the body cool, and this sweat evaporates from the body surface. Evaporation needs heat which is obtained from our body because our sweat contains water and salts. Is it okay? And the sweat glands that removes the water from this through blood capillaries in the skin. That is why it is very much useful to us. Other excretory organs like lungs, they remove carbon dioxide from our blood ड्यूरिंग रेस्पिरेशन. सिमिलरली अगर हम लिवर की बात करें तो लिवर सेल्स कन्वर्ट अमोनिया इनटू द यूरिया विच इज़ लेस टॉक्सिक, एंड यूरिया इज रिमूव्ड बाय किडनीज. And the large intestine, it removes undigested food residue from the body through our anus. In digestion chapter we have studied about this. In lungs, in respiration chapter we have studied about lungs. Thank you and have a nice day.